If you guys don't know what we're eating, that's what we're eating today.
Burger net.
The king of the Whopper.
King of burgers.
King of Burger. Burger King.
We also got a special guest here too.
Oh.
I know y'all like spicy. We got Buldak spicy chips.
Yeah, I seen these at 5 and below. I said, yep, we had to try them. Yeah, but we got
before we start the video, if you want to leave a comment down below if you want to see us do the ghost pepper chip, we'll do it. 10 likes and a comment, and then we'll do it.
ghost pepper.
Yeah, that one hot chip challenge.
Where you gonna get it?
Christina can get it.
Oh, she gonna send it to us?
She said she can order them over there.
We had a coupon. We had we got 3 Whoppers with it, 3 cheeseburgers.
All this for $5.
It ain't for $5.
Sign up for those coupon deals in the mail.
And 3 fries, but yeah. I want some green tea. Yeah.
Should we do this before or after?
I think we should eat that now. Oh no, I said we eat this first, then eat that. I don't think so. It's not gonna be spicy. Oh. Hey! Smell test? Yeah. Smell a little bit spicy.
It smells stinky.
So give you a close up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that chip. Yeah.
It said made from fresh potatoes.
Smells spicy. It looks crunchy. Oh man, soft. That tastes pretty good.
Tastes like the actual noodles.
The Buldak noodles, yeah. They're not that spicy.
Yeah, that Dave's chicken was way hotter than this.
Go good with a good Sammy with these.
You know what?
Good Sammy. A sandwich?
A sandwich?
Yeah, a sandwich. Mm. They're good. Wonder if they got any other flavors. Mm.
Not better than salsa verde.
Ow.
Oh my. Oh, pepper hit the back of the throat.
Yeah. Holy mola. Mm.
They're putting the Whoppers in boxes now. Look at that Whopper and the onion.
Why are your hands shaking?
I was shaking it on purpose.
Oh.
So like that.
It's patty big. Patty real big, man. Oh. Let me get some ketchup on these fries too. Yeah, there we go. Mm-hmm. Fries are fresh. Look how brown they are.
Yep. It's dirty oil. Dirty oil makes for the best fries.
Has a distinct taste. It never misses. That's why Burger King good, man.
I bit my bottom lip.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh man.
I got some stuff stuck in my throat.
From this?
I think so. Something in my esophagus.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
That's too many.
Yeah.
All right, one Whopper down, 4 more to go.
I had 3 Whoppers. Mm. Looks like a cheeseburger from McDonald's, but it just got sesame seeds because you know it's Burger King.
McDonald's got sesame seeds, I think.
On their Big Mac, I think.
Oh yeah. On the Big Mac.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Look at that bun. Yeah. My bun stuff. Some melted cheese.
You gotta rip it apart.
Mm-hmm. It's good eating.
My jaw getting tired from chewing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm full.
That right there? That one's for later. Mm-hmm. I got too many fries.
Got the same amount.
Mm.
Wow, stomach making noise.
I don't think the camera picked it up. Good Burger King, man.
Not sponsored because no one likes us. I don't want no mouthful.
Oh no.
It's good Burger King. We got to talk about next.
That's today's productions. I got 2 more fries.
Oh, you just cut the video right there. We're done.
That's it.
I know. Say, cut the camera, Jerry. I'm done.
I ain't cut any of this.